Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So let's give it a try. I am wearing this. Maybe you can you can feel it. And I will do it with and without. Now you are hearing with the Comica microphone. Now I will take it out. Okay, so this one here, you are not using it because I plug it out, and you can see the difference. This is indoor. Now I go outside, and without the microphone, without microphone outside, without microphone outside. I am just very, very curious about all these things. Why do I need it? Maybe I do not need it, but it's just very, very fun. I feel I am not using microphone. I feel if you talk a relatively further distance, it's good to use microphone. If you are not talking too far away, just like this distance, microphone is not very, very necessary. Especially this is a quiet night, only some normal traffic sound. Okay, I plug it in. The next clip will be plugged in. Okay, now I have plugged it in, and walk in my backyard. There is not very much noise. Maybe it's not very, very necessary, but I am just so curious. Oh, I have addiction to the window light in the night. For some reason, when I was young, I feel this must be the common feeling, right? In the middle of the night, it is dark, and you see window, and you have so much poetry about it, so much story about it. It's a family inside. The family may be a loving family, and they are reading book, or they are cooking, they are chatting, they are cleaning dish, those sound. And or maybe they are a family that quarrels, and they are fighting, they are blaming, but that's real life. And it is so nostalgic. Oh, there is a big airplane sound. Okay, I plug it out. So this is the airplane sound without the microphone. Now we see the difference. This is with the microphone, the airplane sound. Anyway, it's just very, very fun. I am always very, very curious about all this. Oh, that's too messy. Okay. I wish you a happy evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Hello. Bye.